Dear Mr. Peter Chan, we love you. We love you very much. We love Jesus also. I love also Mom and my dad. I love you, all the children of the world. Also, teachers, we bless our teachers and we bless our mommies. Then we will present all the children of the world. I will dance for you.